Welcome back, students. Today, we're going to learn how to write the alphabet, both in capital and small letters. But before we begin, make sure you have your crayons, markers, or pencils ready, as we're going to have some hands-on fun. Let's start with the letter B. It looks like this in capital, a big B. And in small letter, it's a little b. To write the capital letter B, follow 3 simple steps. 1. Start at the top. Draw a straight line down to make the left side of the B. 2. From the top of the line, draw a semicircle going from left to right, connecting it back to the middle of the line. 3. Without lifting pencil, draw another semicircle going from left to right, connecting it back to the bottom of the line. To write the small letter B, 1. Start with a straight vertical line downward from the top to the bottom of the paper. 2. At the bottom of the line, form a small curve to the right, like a backward C. 3. Then, draw a small horizontal line to the right, connecting it to the curve you just made. 5. Lift the pencil. Great! You have successfully learned how to write alphabet B, both in small and capital letters. Now, practice this in your English copy. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures in learning. Until next time, keep shining and happy learning!